This is the brace pocket right here, and this is 4 feet from the shoulder down to this point. This is the critical point right here. So now we'll go down and look at the braces. You got a calculator? So a brace leg is 48 inches. 48 divided by 0.7071, trigonometry number. 48 divided by 0.7071 equals 67.8829. To convert that to a fraction, we minus the 67, and that leaves you with 0.8829, and you multiply that times 1/16 of an inch, and that gives you 14.12, or 7/8. So when we take a stick, we snap a line that's 3/4 of an inch off because of the 1 inch housing, and snap a line on there because none of the brace stock is ever straight. If you use the edge, you're going to have a knot that's peeling off, or fuzz, or just the natural bow that's in the sticks, and your angles at your brace won't be right. But if you snap a line and use that as your layout, you get a very accurate 45. And so for the angle, then we cut a stick. We cut a stick at 67 7/8 and used it as a template to lay on this on the snapped line. So that's the snapped line, and then it's a 45-degree angle, and so you can use any number. I oftentimes go with 12. And it's like crossing the street. You have to look at one end and then the other, and you're going to look back at the other end and then back down to the other because it wanders. So there's the 12, and then 12 over here on the inside of the square. We draw that line, and then we turn this around and line 2 inches up onto the same critical point that was out there on the brace pocket. We line that up there, and we draw the butt end of the tenon, and we mark 5 inches, which is actually 3 inches for the tenon length. And then you flip your square over. So we drew the butt end here, and then marked 5 inches, which is 3 inches off the shoulder line. Then you hold 3 inches just out here on the shoulder line, and a line to your crow's foot, and draw the bottom end of the tenon. So that's the tenon. This here gets dropped off. This here gets dropped off. And then you skill saw that, trim it up a little bit, put a peg hole in it. That's it. One of those.
John Kerry lost in 2004.
Used to take a week to cut all these.
Satellite proof of people control free of charge at the end of everything.
I could give away a prize if somebody could tell me how many there are.